need you to motivate me today. I have some makeup chores that need to get done and I'm really procrastinating. I'm going to take you along with me today as I clean off my makeup desk and finally wash my makeup brushes. Leave me a comment to let me know, how long do you wait in between makeup brush washings? I'm embarrassed to say it's longer than it should be, maybe at least a month. I maybe do it like once a month. Come along with me today as we try to clean things up in this makeup room, which is also my office. So I need for it to look nice, so I can be motivated. If you like makeup and beauty content, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I put out project planning content and other things that talk all about beauty. So let's get started and quit procrastinating. This is the current state of my makeup area. Not only do I use this area, but my daughter is starting to get into makeup a little bit. And she has her things strewn about. Her makeup is out. And we have definitely made a mess here between the two of us. This is her little area where she keeps a lot of her things, and then that is empties that I plan on sharing with you guys later. And then this is my stack of eyeshadow palettes that I'm not using. So all in all, this bookshelf also needs a little bit of a refresh because it has my daughter's school stuff. In addition to washing my brushes and cleaning off this desk, I think I'm going to switch back to my LiQWYD makeup bags. I've been using this one that I got from Ulta. It's like a free one, but I like this one a little better right now because I want to be able to see the things that I want to get to. I use this mostly for my daily use things. Brow things, mascara, powders, and stuff like that. Something I have on the daily that I use in my routine. So I think I'm going to switch back to this one. And hopefully that will be a good thing. So let's go. All right, here is the desk, really table, all cleaned off. And now this is the gunk and the makeup residue that I need to clean off. And another reason why I'm really motivated to clean it off is because I got my Grove Collaborative order today. And in that, I got a brand new cleaner from Method, and it smells like lime and sea salt. So it's going to be nice and refreshing, and it's going to liven up the space with its scent and its cleanliness. So now I'm going to take my LiQWYD bag, and I think this is called the medium bag. I'm not sure. There's one that's like kind of half the size of this, and then a much larger one. And it is, I do need to clean this off too, but I'm not going to do that. I want to stop my progress of getting things clean that really need to be cleaned, like my brushes. It's a sanitary issue for sure. So these are the things that I use every day. They're the utilitarian items that really don't change very much. I think I'm about done with this mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my empties because it's a mini. It's kind of starting to smudge on me, and I just don't like the way that it volumizes very much at all. This is another powder that I'm working on. I can't wait to get one of these in a full size. This is going to be, I love this brow setter. It's really good. I have two other mini mascaras that I have opened, so I would like to use those before I really hit this hard and heavy, but I'm loving this Panorama, voluminous Panorama from L'Oreal. I used it once yesterday, and man, va-va-va-voom on the length. Major length. So I'm probably going to put it in there, and I'll use it some, but just not a lot. I have my concealer, my favorite concealer and corrector duo, a couple of different powders. This is the highlighter that I enjoy using. It goes well with my skin being like over 40, so. Okay, I'm just going to toss that in there, and here's a hair tie, and then I have everything ready to go for myself in the morning. And you know, then this desk looks so much cleaner, and I am enjoying the way that this smells. This lime and sea salt scent is wonderful. I hope to maybe get that in a soap form sometime soon. This is really one of the key things that I find in enjoying cleaning is having things that smell nice. And I like Method because it's not toxic and it doesn't bother and trigger my asthma. So it smells nice, it cleans, and it's effective in its cleanliness, and I can breathe easy. And now the makeup desk looks so much better. It's cleaner. Things are put away and back in their home on this side, but now we have to tackle this stuff. So my daughter is now in the room, and she's going to help get her school stuff looking a little nicer than that. Now for the thing that I have been dreading the most, cleaning all of these brushes. I have a couple of foundation brushes, a couple blush brushes, you know, like kind of two of everything that does the job. So that's part of the reason why it takes me so long before I wash them. But here it is. And so my method is really very informal. I dump them all in the sink. I use this Sonia Kashuk brush cleaner that I got from Target, and it has different, you know, little rubber areas where you can rub the brush. I use this one for like the bigger, thicker, denser brushes, and this for like the eyeshadow brushes that are a little more like fluffy. And then for right now, I'm using some of this Dr. Bronner's lavender Castile soap. And that's just what I do. And usually I'm listening to a really good audiobook because audiobooks really make boring tasks like this go by so much faster. Let's stop talking and actually get to it. we're back in the makeup room one more time because as simple as this is, it took me years to figure this out. I would always wash my brushes, lay them out in the bathroom counter, and then in the next morning I would wake up and I'd go sit down to put my makeup on and I'd be like, dang, I gotta go back to the bathroom to get my makeup brushes. So I decided to work smarter, not harder. I'm gonna lay them all out on the desk and then that's it for makeup chore day. I did it, yay! I'm so excited. I hope that this video has encouraged you to do some chore, some task in your home that you really continue to put off. I will see you in my next video. Bye.